Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore the cool functions of our Roof Wizard software. Today I'd like to cover off a topic that's not often dealt with in training, but is critically important to the correct installation of your roof, and that is the subject of underlayments or underlay. In some parts of the world it's called isolation, it's called sarking, it's called ice and water shield, it's called all sorts of different stuff, but the topic is basically the same. Be aware that there's actually a differentiation in some markets. For us, underlay is maybe an insulation material, but insulation is dealt with separately, and the critical difference between underlay and insulation is underlay is typically a single layer of product, where insulation function in our software allows you to set up multiple layers of an insulation material. And all of this is done under the cover menu. So when we select the material, let's say we put metal on this roof, you have an option down here when you set up your metal panel to be applied to the roof to select an underlay material at this stage. So let's say we want to have a foil blanket, R2 foil. Now if I select R2 foil at this stage, when I apply my metal panels to the roof, the underlay is automatically applied to the entire roof. Now if I don't want it applied to the entire roof, if I hit OK on that and then generate my panels, I've now got all my underlay and all my panels done. But in the event, if I take the panels off for a minute, in the event that I wish to apply underlay as on just parts of the roof, say for example, I don't want underlayment or insulation on this part because it's just a storage for my trucks. So no use insulating my trucks. So I'm going to apply partial, and in that instance I'll say I want insulation there, or underlayment there and there. And now when I generate my cutting list for everything, I'm only getting underlayment on that part of the roof. And if you hit the show button, it shows the areas that I've selected the underlayment to. Read the help files on this topic. There's a lot more to it, and I recommend that you put the effort into understanding how it works. Note that to apply an underlayment to the roof, you must have something selected when you select your metal panel, and a similar function applies when you select tile. So if you select a tile, there'll be an option there to pre-select your underlay material. So just recapping, if I select it with my material and hit OK, it is automatically applied to the entire roof. If I wish to be selective about where the underlayment goes, I select the underlay button and tell it where I want it. Now notice that this is different to the use of insulation, and I will cover that topic off on another Feature Friday. As usual, read the help files and reach out by email or phone if you ever need help with anything. We're here to help. That's it for Feature Friday for this week. Have a great weekend, and we'll chat again soon. Bye for now.